how to say your name, let alone count all the freckles on your face. A distant memory I used to know. Oh, I guess that's just the way things go. Oh, I guess that's just the way things go. Can't remember when we said you called, miles away and it was still my fault. The love you said you had is sometimes shown. Oh, I guess that's just the way things go. Oh, I guess that's just the way things go. There's so much left to say, I guess I'm just a bigger guy. And there's too much on my mind that I don't even want to try. Guess it's not far from the ordinary. They do say love is blind, but I guess that's the way. Met you last night. It's some party I wonder.
Happy Thanksgiving.
But you must know you follow me and I follow you. In the morning, we pass quietly on the street.
Hi, Grandma.
You won't ever get to know each face you see. Wish I could make a friend today. Wish I could know your first pet's name. You're using all your passwords since you were a child. Wish I could ask how was your day. I wish I knew the person's name you think of under the covers when you slip into the night. Hold the door for the person behind me. It's the only time.
Oh my goodness.
I never will stop grieving who we are when we were young. From my grandmother, her children, to I never will become. We're a feeling that is fading more each day I see the sun. I never will stop grieving. Grief is all I know of love. For grief is love run backwards. Great movie in reverse. Knowing how it ends can give another something birth. Gives another something terrible. Great roots inside the earth. That too late after it's gone is when we finally weigh its worth. Like
Dusty, what do you
how
think?
my mother says at funerals, at the time and down all wrong. We say so much to a person only after they are gone. But grief is love run backwards, so we love them better than, and we love them with forgiveness, all because we know the end. So I never will stop grieving everything that's yet to die. I think I'll love after I'm dead, and I'll grieve while I'm alive.
Yeah.
stop grieving everything that's yet to die. Think I'll love after I'm dead, and I'll grieve while I'm alive. Think I'll love after I'm dead, and I'll grieve while I'm alive.
This is Lily. I always think Lily's a cat.
I'm a cat.
And then I think... Gosh, I don't know.
Katie
Evie has a
the
dress
rabbit,
like that.
though. I think
But-
Katie's the rabbit, Evie's the
Okay.
bear. Okay, I see that.
I see it.
Yeah. This is what happens when you're on Ozempic. Don't do it.
Daddy wanted me to leave it, Indiana, in the cold. Said, you know, you really don't need it. Leave the fame for the road. I remember when I was leaving, I was only 6 years old. Oh, how my heart was beating, about ready to explode.
Edelweiss? Haven't done this long. How does it go? I don't know the words.
Edelweiss, Edelweiss, every morning you greet me, small and white, clean and bright, you look happy to me, blossom of snow, may you bloom and grow forever. Edelweiss, Edelweiss, bless my homeland forever. Edelweiss, Edelweiss, every morning you greet me, small